It's time to upgrade our Alfa Romeo Giulia. Okay, this is less of an upgrade and more of needed maintenance. It is wintertime in Seattle, y'all, and that means it is pouring a lot more than usual. Wiper blade 1 and wiper blade 2 are completely useless now. The summer must have dried out the rubber because when they wipe in the rain, it does absolutely nothing to wipe the water off the windshield. So if you're in the same boat or just want to replace your wipers, let's go ahead and do that now. The Alfa Romeo Giulia actually has a wiper service mode that makes it super simple. First, all you're going to want to do is press the start stop button, and that turns the electronics on, and then immediately after that go ahead and turn it off. Now look at the stock on the right here. All you're going to want to do is press it and hold it up for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then the wipers will come up here. What you barking at, huh? And that's your wiper service mode. When they're up here, you just give a little come here, and pull them straight up like that. And now they're standing up, greeting you, ready to be replaced. Both of them are going to have a little notch in here. And this is what we're gonna wanna pay attention to. This is what we're going to use to pop out on that one. And then the same one over here. And we basically push it in, and then the clips release, and we can pull these out. If you're removing them for the very first time, it might be a little stuck on there, but remember, just push in the clip and then pull straight up and out. They will come off. And then wiper B as well. I guess the B means something because they're both B's. If you look at them though, this one is shorter than this one. The shorter one goes on the inside and the longer one goes on the outside. Be aware of that. So the Alfa Romeo replacement blades are here. The same process is going to be for the long one and the small one. Now the Michelin ones come with this adapter right here, and we're gonna wanna go ahead and take that off. So you just pull it up like this on the side that says press, you pull it up. It's easier for my strength if I rotate it around, and you just pull it out. So where it says press right here, you just press it in and it releases these tabs. And then you go ahead and just pull it out. Now that it's at a like 35-degree angle, you just pull it straight up. And it comes out. Now you're given 2 adapters. You have adapter C and you have adapter K. You're gonna want to use adapter C. For this, you have this bit right here, and you're gonna want to align it with this notch right here. So take this guy and then just place it down here and then slot it into place. Now we actually want to use adapter B. Adapter B is underneath C. So go ahead and pull this tab at the very end back. Go ahead and pull it back, and then this C, you can just pull it straight up and off. Adapter B is underneath it. Do that for the short one as well. And then you have your wiper blades and you're ready to go ahead and install them. Remember y'all, short one goes on the inside and it should slot in very easily. Make sure you get all the tabs in and then it will slide in. You're good. Same thing for this one, the longer one. Slot perfectly in here and then you just slide it in. And it locks in place just like that. You can give it a little tug if you want, but they're both good. There's these little white pieces at the very end. You just want to go ahead and pull those off as well. From there, all you need to do is put both of these guys down. You can actually leave it up like this and go ahead and drive. Once you drive above 5 miles per hour or turn the windshield wipers on, they will automatically go back down and out of service mode. That was super fun. That was super easy. And if you have any more maintenance things you need to do to your Alfa Romeo, let us know in the comments below because we might need to do them and then maybe we can do it together and solve any issues. We got like a check engine light and an oil light on this guy, so that will be what's next. So make sure to subscribe to see us trying to figure that out.